Hey, hello. So I'm gonna show you how you program your touchscreen using the SD card. So you need a 24 volt going in, one positive and one negative. It would say plus and minus on the back of this. I know your screen is different, but is the way you program it is pretty much the same. And when you put the SD card in, so on your screen, on the top of it, top right and top left, you will hold here, push it down before you power it up. On my screen, I only need to hold one corner. Uh, you hear the beep beep sound? Let it go for a few seconds. Let it go. You will go to the screen like this. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, there we go. And then you go to the main menu. You go to File Manager. From here, on the left side, yeah, on the left side of your screen, uh, on the left, yeah, there we go. You will hit here until you get SD card. So SD card, and then arrow down. You go down to the 94 T's. Hit enter. 94T. Hit enter, and you will see this. Then you will hit the arrow going down to NV data. Then you will hit enter, enter, and you will see this screen. Then you will hit the arrow down until you see that program over there. The name of the program that you need to log on. Your is 994 machine, so it would start with the 94 and then something else on the back on the tail. Then you hit copy and hit clear keep device, and then yes, and wait for a few minutes. Maybe take a few seconds for it to load the program on. Yeah, just give it a few seconds. After that, you just hit acknowledge, and yeah, pretty much ready to run. But I'm gonna show you how you do it until the end. See the data transfer mode. It's mean that copying the program to the touchscreen. Almost there. Yeah, when you see it, you hit acknowledge, ACK. It run you back to here. By this time, it's pretty much done. You just need to hit the run button over here. And there you go. Congratulations. That's on how you program a touchscreen.